Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. This is RDP with the Living Fugolilas channel. Today I'm about to replace the front brake pads on my 2009 Saab 95. So I want you to be part of the project. So don't go anywhere folks. We're going to do this project together. Okay? Okay folks, thank you for staying with us. So far we have the car jacked up and the car has been choked and the wheels are almost off the ground. So let's go ahead and remove the wheels. Of the ground, the car is jacked up and also choke, and we have the wheels under the car for safety. And here are the new brake pads, and let's go ahead and tackle this project together. So we have a 7mm hex socket. So we need to remove two balls, one here and one here. So let's go ahead and try to do the bolt out. There you go. There it is. That's a long one. So let's do the same thing for the second one on the bottom. So we get both balls out. So let's go ahead and remove the wire metal. That's this bad boy right here. You have to be careful when you remove those wire metal. Make sure that they don't swing or fly and hit you in the face. The same screwdriver to move the piston back so we can get easy access to the caliper. Okay, now we can easily remove the caliper, and we have our bungee cord which going to hold the caliper, so the caliper is not hanging on the. So we have our bungee cord holding the caliper, and we're gonna take that opportunity to move the piston back since the old brake pad is still attached to it. So we have the piston presser, so we're gonna go ahead and squeeze that so we can get the piston. So there has been some squeaky noise going on with the brake. There you go. So this is the new, this is the old brake pads. As you can see, it's very thin. You can show there is no scratch. And this is the old one. Guess it's time for new sheriff in town, and they are the new sheriff in town. So we need to clean. Make sure we remove all. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply some NECs onto the tip of the new brake pad, and then get this thing going. So we just apply some NECs copper into the tip of the new brake pad so they are ready to go and roll. So we're just mounting the brake pads and the calipers back to its location so we can go ahead and add those. So we're gonna go ahead and add those bolts. That's good enough. So let's go ahead and add the wire metal. This one is a little bit tricky. You have to be careful when you're adding those because they can snap and fly and hit you. See how it doesn't want to go down easily. But I'm gonna have to put the phone down so I can take it down easily. Okay, folks, we just installed the metal wire. So now let's go ahead and pump the brake so we can put the caliper back to its position. So we just pump the brakes and at the same time turn the wheel so we can get the tire back on. Folks, thank you for taking the time to be with me throughout the whole process. I do appreciate that. And one thing that I will ask you to do is to make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also give me a thumbs up or leave a comment to let me know how I'm doing. And again, this is RDP with the Living Frugal Life channel. We just replaced the front brake pads on a 2009 Saab 95. And thank you, folks. See you guys later. Bye bye.